So hey guys, I hope you all are doing well. We are back again with another new video. Welcome back guys. So in this video we will talk about trx.trcs.com website. In this website you can earn many TRX by doing minings, by investing the amount and by promoting your links. So let's go guys. You will find the website link in my description box. You need to click on that and you will redirect to the Chrome website. Now you will see that invitation code. Now you need to register here. So you need to put your invitation code. If you click on my link, so the invitation code will be automatically filled. Okay, so now you need to fill your phone number, then reCAPTCHA code, then your login password, then your security password. So guys, do register fastly. I will back again after register. Okay guys, thank you. So guys, our registration is completed successfully. Now you need to save your password with Google because it will prevent you to save from further confusion. Okay, so now you can see here 15,000 TRX as a bonus. This website gives us 15,000 TRX. Do you know how much 15,000 TRX? 15,000 TRX is so much. So now you can think that this website is fully legal. This website is best website. This is not a scam like other websites. Okay guys. Now I am telling you how to earn a TRX by doing mining. So you need to click on trade. Second option here, trade. Okay guys. Now here you will see how much percent you will earn. Okay. So we will click on trade. Now you can see here 10% mining earning. You will earn every day 10% of your minings. Okay, by doing minings you will earn daily 10% of your investing amount. So guys, this will very huge percentage. Any other company not give like this percentage. This website is fully best website and fully legal website, so you can earn 1,000 of TRX. So go and click and register now and investing your amount. Okay guys, now you can click on investment option and here you will see so much products. You can invest on these products for earning more money. This investment products is very nice. You can earn 1,000 of TRX by investing your amount here. So guys, do investment here. You can find many products here. Okay guys. Now for doing everything we need to recharge here, because without recharge we cannot do anything here. So we need to recharge. We will click recharge option. Now you can find two options. So you need to find that transfer to basic account. Okay, transfer to mining account. Here you can find first option, transfer to mining account. So you need to click on that. Now you can see a code and your copy link address. So you need to copy the address and you need to put this in your Trust wallet or any wallet, Binance, Wazir, any wallet, any other wallet. Okay guys. So click on that copy link. So after copy, go to your wallet. Now you can find Tron here. Okay. Now you want to click on send option. Then you need to paste the copy address. Okay. Now you need to put the amount, how much amount you need to here recharge. So I am recharging 10 TRX. Okay. So the recharge is completed. So now you need to go to the website. By going back to the website, you need to return how much TRX you recharge. Okay, I recharge 10 TRX. Then you need to click on recharge complete. After 2-3 minutes, you will get your TRX here. Okay, so our balance is 15,011. 1 TRX is a dividend, is a bonus for us. Okay guys, now you need to click on share option and you can find here your sharing link, your invitation link. Now you need to share this link with your friends for getting more commission with them. Okay, if you click on that and share your link on WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, if your friend downloads and register here and recharge, if we recharge any amount, you will get so much commission. I will tell you how much commission you earn after this. Okay guys, so wait for that. So now you need to click on home option and here you can see team option. You can make your team 1, team 2, team 3 and three of them team you can earn different commissions. I will tell you how much commission you earn. From team 1 you can earn 10% commission, from team 2 you can earn 5% commission, and from team 3 you can earn 3% commission. Okay guys, I know how you can understand this. Okay guys, now you need to go home option and you can find many options here. Okay, you can check over here by registering your account. So link in the description, go and check out. Okay guys. So guys, you need to click on partners option. Here you can see their long-term partners like Binance, Polonix. They are very great and long-term partners. Okay guys, now you need to back again and you need to here points small. You can exchange your points in TRX. 10 points is equal to 1 TRX. So recharge more amount for exchanging more TRX. Okay guys, this is very great opportunity for us for earning TRX in this pandemic times. So now you need to click on their gift option. Here you can find gift. Okay guys, you can earn a gift by doing recharge more and more. Here you can find games. You can play games by TRX. here all of your entertainment and all the purpose. You can earn money, you can entertain for us. Okay guys, now you need to back. So guys, you need to click on the activity option. Here you can find something. Okay guys, so first point is that you recharge to the basic account and the cloud mining machine will automatically work for you with a daily income of 10%. It means you can earn 10% of your investing amount. Okay guys, now second option is that invite more people to join. You will be rewarded and the deposit amount through the registration you invite. It means you invite your friends. If your friend invests in here from your link, so you will get so much commission. That's why I tell you, from first team you can earn 10%, from second team you can earn 5% commission, and then third team you can earn 3% of commission. So guys, this is very much commission yaar. I am telling you to download it and invest here. This is very legal website and fully best website for 2022. And in the description box you can find contact information of the website. If you have any problem, so you can contact with them and they will solve problem for you. Okay guys, there is 24/7 customer service and there the customer service is very best. Now I am telling you, if you want to withdraw your amount, so you can click on the withdrawal. I am telling you how to withdraw. Okay guys, so here withdrawal, you can TRX bonus, you can withdraw. If you adding TRX, so you can withdraw TRX. For withdrawing TRX, you can have a balance of 100 equal to 100 or greater than 100. Okay guys, so put your TRX address here. Okay, go to Trust Wallet and paste your copy address. Go to copy address and paste here. Now if your balance is 100, you can withdraw here. So guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked the video. So channel subscribe and video like and comment. Okay guys, thank you, bye bye.